Hello everyone! Great news! We heard your requests for year-round reading challenges here at the Washington County Public Library, and we are very excited to bring you the Smokey Bear Reading Challenge starting October 1st, running through November 22nd via the READSquared app. This challenge is a partnership between the USDA Forest Service and public libraries across the country to raise awareness about wildfire prevention and to encourage kids and adults to explore careers in nature. All ages can participate in this reading challenge, so that means from your little bitty kids all the way up through teens and adults. We will have prizes for everyone for completing their reading logs and completing mission activities. And this will be a really great way to challenge yourself to read a little extra this fall. You will have the option to participate in this challenge via the READSquared app or with a paper log. For more information on how to participate in this challenge using the READSquared app, please visit the link in the description of this video, or you can visit our children's Facebook page. Be sure you go to Washington County, Tennessee Public Library Children's Programs. There's a separate page just for us. Or visit our link tree, which can be found in our About section on the Facebook page and in our bio on Instagram. That video with the READSquared tutorial for the Smokey Bear Challenge will be in all of those places, so it's readily available for you to find out how to participate in this challenge online. So if you don't have a phone that's capable of running the READSquared app, or you just really prefer to go analog, that's totally fine. We also will have paper logs available at both libraries when the program starts on October 1st. You'll pick up this great paper packet that we have here put together for you. It includes a Smokey Bear sticker, a Smokey Bear info card that may come in handy with some of your mission requirements. It will have your reading log, which is this big piece of paper here, and it will also have a paper registration form. You do need to fill this out and give it to library staff so that we have a record of your participation in the Smokey Bear Reading Challenge. For your paper log, all you'll do is read the instructions here. There is a QR code for the app, and you can use the paper log in conjunction with the app. If you do that, if you are using the app with the paper log, you don't have to fill this form out. This is just if you're doing paper only. You do have to log at least 3 books on wildfire prevention, nature, and conservation in order to earn a free book. And then on the back, you have to check at least 2 boxes within each activity box to earn a treasure box prize. You can earn up to 7 of those. If you're doing a paper log, make sure that once you've filled everything out and you're ready to claim some prizes, you bring this to the library with you so that we can stamp once you've collected your prizes. While these packets won't be available at the libraries until the challenge starts on October 1st, if you decide to log via READSquared, you can go ahead and get signed up in the app and pre-register for the challenge starting now. You'll get a very convenient countdown clock that lets you know when you can start logging your reading and activities. As I said, this program runs October 1st through November 22nd. It is for all ages, and you can join anytime within that time frame. We hope that you'll join us for this fall reading challenge and learn a little bit about how you can prevent forest fires.